definitely not a Tuesday.
What?
Far from it. Like slick, kind of? Yeah, it's not really slick, but you hold the power.
I don't want them popping. I've seen a lot of videos of people spinning in the car and it pops. I don't want that.
Yeah, no, they have a couple back.
Yeah. So I need some power. Are they around here, your car people?
Yeah, you need little or you need Toyo triple RB.
So I did the irritate.
Stuck is stuck.
No, I did the irritate, but I want the Downstar, the little
I didn't see that. Did everything orange.
Yeah.
I didn't put everything white.
I'm gonna do.
No, I didn't put everything white. My one, the filter and everything. Yeah, he got the filters in here.
Yeah, but in the front.
Yeah.
I don't have the front.
Yeah.
But I like how the front sounds.
Yeah. B1 sound good. Yeah, but he have a lot of shit. Yeah. You hear that big move? Different bar here.
So I'm gonna wrap it black, and then everywhere that you take, I have to make it pink. What do you mean? I have to personalize it to myself. So I think I want pink gold.
Wrap it pink member and everything black. If you want to be like exactly.
The whole thing pink?
Yeah, then somebody every time they say I'm like, oh, what's her name over there? Yeah. Yeah.
No, that's
Black, everybody has black. Yeah. But then we can feel like this. Or this with some pink peel. Exactly. Yeah. Something. Different.
Oh my
Black and not pink.
Alright.
But everybody have black. So another black M3 versus shit, pink one.
Alright. Go bigger, go
You gotta come up with your, you know what I'm saying, your identity. Everybody know my car. When they see my car, oh, that's that kid's car. You know what I'm saying? Different. Different. Pops and bangs.
little pops. It's not what you would call it.
See this menu stopping it. Move fast, yeah.
He came out of nowhere. Sorry. what's this called?
Trim switch. So
switch.
one is for launch, one is for boost.
Oh wow.
So the more you turn it, the more boost. The more you turn this, the more launch.
Wow. No, I'm ready to feel it. Like I'm so ready. And you spin out because of what?
Too much power, the tire can't handle it. So if I turn it up more, it just get worse and worse and worse and worse.
Is there any tires that can handle it? No.
Yeah, but you have to take off the big brakes and all that shit.
Okay.
I don't want to do all that shit. Rate that car 1 to 10. Rate that drive.
That was a 10.
That was a 10.
Yeah. Okay. So first, when we did our first pull on 441, he started spinning.
Spinning like tires.
Yeah, like he was fishtailing, and I was like, okay. So we went down the other side, and then he went a little bit slower to start. Then it wasn't spinning, right? But then cars were coming, so I couldn't get the full
Experience.
power. But from what we did, it was amazing. I was smiling. I love speeding. What? And then the burnout, and I was, oh my god, the little donut. He did a donut.
Let's see the sneak peek. The donut.
He did a donut. You're gonna add the video at the end, anyways.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek though.
That was amazing. I now know what I want for my car because of that.
You went crazy.
Yeah, he did.
His son reaction was priceless. I'm like, what?
So much fun. I mean, how do you not like fast cars? Like, how do you not? This is what I live for, okay? Like, this makes it all worth it. Anyways, I need my car like that. I need my car. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going.
Just get a tune. That's it. The first thing I'm gonna listen to.
Yeah, but I want the tires so I can do that.
Yeah.
Oh, my seatbelt.
My seatbelt too.
Shit. Got caught up. But yeah,